If your AI solution right now is just chatting with ChatGPT, it's only as good as the person prompting. If your AI solution is siloed by department, you need to have a bigger picture. If your leadership team can't explain what it is that it needs to do, you're not going to get the budget to implement this stuff. Companies don't fail at implementing AI because of the tech that they choose. They fail because they're not thinking in systems. I've worked with over 100 companies this year, and there are 5 key failure points that almost every single one of them runs into. I'm going to go through each of those failure points in this video and show you exactly how to resolve them. But first, we need to acknowledge something. We have to address that AI has inherently changed how we look at scaling a business. We've always needed systems, but now they're more important than ever. Systems are everything. If you're going to implement AI and you don't have systems in place, you're actually going to slow down your execution. It's going to feel like AI is fixing things or should fix things, but it doesn't. It's just going to create frustration. And that's in addition to the Wild West that's already happening across the board because you try to do all these things without systems in place. Another way to think about this is AI is just going to multiply the problems that you've created by not having systems in the first place. The ability to use systems thinking is the most valuable skill that you need as we're going into 2026. So here are the 5 key failure points and how to eliminate them. First, it's strategic confusion. Leaders know they need to implement AI, they just don't know where to start. If you're able to define the start by prioritizing and looking at the initiatives and saying, well, how much impact are we going to get and how much effort is that? That's all that's needed. Number 2 is there's a leadership gap. Leaders don't always know what AI can actually do, and they want to believe that it can do so much more than it can right now. What you need to do for this one is learn what AI can actually do and apply that into business value. Number 3 is tool overload. A lot of times it's the shiny object syndrome. We see a new tool, we go, oh, that's exactly what I need. It's going to help me do all this stuff. It's not. It's going to create confusion. It's going to create the slow execution. It's going to create the frustration. Too many tools with no rules is a recipe for disaster. You fix this by defining what tools are best for the job and standardize. Number 4 is siloed implementation. You have the HR department doing something, the marketing building their own tools, sales is writing their own prompts. It's chaos. Everything is in silos. It's a disaster. This is the Wild West. What you need to do is make knowledge and systems accessible across all departments so not everybody's reinventing the wheel and they can all work with each other. And finally, number 5 is the scalability crisis. You have 80% of the work getting done is actually just administrative burden work that's just quote unquote keeping things running. You need to nip this in the bud and create simple AI agent-based workflows that will maximize the value of each team member by eliminating that busy work. AI alone does not create scale. AI systems that are documented, repeatable, and easy to use, that's what creates scale. This isn't an AI or tech problem. This is an operational maturity problem. You need to first fix the system and then add AI.